Hello, I'm looking forward to sharing this body of information with you, which I stumbled across quite by accident because when I started working with injured string players in the 1990s, I was using my eyes, my knowledge of the differences in body types, and everything I knew about the equipment available to provide a setup for each player that would remove causes for injuries in the left and right hands, the shoulders, the neck. And I began to notice that just at the moment when that player would say, "Wow, I feel like I'm floating. I feel like I'm hardly doing anything to support my instrument now. My arms are working better. My hands are working better." There would be a difference in the sound on their instrument. This is what we're going to be exploring together. I will explain in greater detail when I see you, and I'm so looking forward to sharing this information with you. And thank you to Dario Orchestral for sponsoring my trip to ESTA.